The Meghalaya government has expressed strong concern over the continued presence of drug-related activities in Lom Survey, an area long identified as a hotspot for illicit trade. Despite multiple cleanup drives carried out by the police and various pressure groups, officials acknowledged that the problem remains unabated. Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tynsong said the situation had become a serious worry for the administration, noting that it had, quote, deprived the government of sleep, unquote. He explained that Lom Survey falls under defence land, which has limited the state's authority to fully regulate the locality. Preston Tynsong added that the government has initiated talks with the CEO responsible for the area to conduct thorough verification of residents. The move is intended to curb the inflow of outsiders and prevent the continuation of drug trade in the locality, he said.
Abi yakani ni mentang imtiang imdensu. Tendre pinkren ya kejaka kan kejaka kahap kantonmen. Kadika defense land yang bersekutu bahaya kata. To nakaliang jongi kai ka bangile nakaliang ka district association kalong bejba ngi yakren ngi yapenbej ngi yadon ka close coordination batka batba bat CEO jongka defense akaba ngi yakren ban monitor ye kita kinongsong baru haka juga puan nakaliang ka district association ka check ye kituki antecedents jo kituki nongsong kinongsa but ki police jong ngiru menta kilong all out ban find out kay bajia ki e jibawan laki de ki illegal migrant pimtip te yakani kadai ka ongoing process hakaba hadin ba don gitu ki NGO ru ki ba lawan ka petition kira legi ru daldi te ko mo pi na kali ka association kam thia kam den halor kani ban penting na ba ka drugs battling lani ka insecurity ka bala banjia namar ba ka jingwan kini ki ba bunjat ki ba bunrukom kan jia hapoka nong ba shilong ko jingi tena ra daw na kaliang jongka police department lo all out ka tracitong ban pitikna ba kan dod itu ke
hatu pipu number ka jingtho sa ka containment badi ban evik iti gibring isu thu ba gibring kimdi kinong sung jong ka jala kemo
ya kan ne nga try platip ba history but history kolong ba kladon haku ti mentaro kabang keren mentak kladon apa hakut bat na kaliang jong ka cantonment ro klale la ka kam gila file ka ya ka gila file ka affidavit mangi na ka state government na ka district of ni file ka affidavit kata ka kalong ongoing te mentaka ka don ka ninga te issue apa ka kun namar mensua na gitu giseng malangru gila dismantle te ultimately kumopi nimla bensuong baik toyap dismantle ta te namar tang sumarele mariali brusukun then again subjected to the direction from the court.